All right. Time to do a Blackout 185 base. First thing you start with is the breachers. Breachers will take out the phalanx. We didn't get it. All right, we'll do it again. Usually it takes it out the first time. Not a problem. I try to keep the damage down. Sometimes I stop too soon. Pretty simple procedure. Take out the phalanx. Send your breachers in. This time they'll kill it dead. All right, they're done. Next thing, we send in the technicals, and they will take out the Apollo. Isn't lag wonderful? All right. Time to take out the Apollo. All right, they're gone. And then we use our missiles. And we're going to take out the airstrips. So we get 2 airstrips. So let's send in some dead eyes. This will keep blackouts from attacking. Let's take out the other one. Oh, okay, I ran out of dead eyes. That's all right. We'll have to use Mavericks. You got to take out the tower. If you don't take out the tower, you can't send in Dina. Usually I have 2 dead eyes, but today I only have 1, so I'll just use another Maverick. All right, now that we've taken out all the missiles, we can send in Dina. And she's just taking out the anti-air. Get rid of you. But you got to be ready. I just take out the air. Just the ones in the front. The rest of them I can get with my Vindicators. The next dangerous thing you got to take out, who will do damage to you. You're just taking out what's going to kill your troops. We get the same thing on the other side to take out. We take that out, and then we can send in our Vindicators to clear the whole front. All right, we need Dina again. Again, just clean out whatever you need that's going to attack your troops. And we got one more. Send in Dina again. All right, now we can go in and we can clean out the front. First thing we got to get rid of is the two Drakens. They can't wait to kill you, so I'm going to send in Dark Storm and Technicals. And if we do it right, we shouldn't get any damage. If we don't do it right, who knows what you get. Dark Storm to about there. Technicals to take away the two Draken. Key is if you can get the Dark Storm just right where they're both in there. Technicals. Can't wait to kill the Draken. Okay. Now we send in.
Oh, okay.
She has sent it in Sunder, the hero for the Vindicators. And he's going to clean out most of the stuff here for us. All right. He's just going to slowly work his way around, clean everything out. Okay, do the same thing on the other side. Uh-oh, all right. Trouble's coming. He doesn't usually move. We must have gotten too close. That's all right. Send him back in. If the Apollos move, you just kill them with your technicals. Going to do the same thing over here we did over there. Just clean out the front. Leave them right there in case the Apollo decides to come after us again. After we get rid of this, we just have to go get rid of the tower There we go. Let's go get rid of the tower now.
All right, we're all about ready.
Now let's remove the Apollos.
Melon.
I get rid of the Black Storm. Send Dina back in to get rid of... I can't do it yet. The only threat we have is right here. Once you get rid of that, we'll send the Vins in and we'll clean the base. Okay, got one more to do. And then Vins will clear the rest of the base. And last one. Looks like someone's trying to steal my base, so I'm not going to be able to go out. I'm going to have to just retreat it. I may lose it, but somebody's trying to steal the base, so... She's going to get shot up a little bit, but there's nothing I can do about it. So I don't want someone to steal the base. All right, now we'll send in the Vins, and the base is ours. I may run out of time with this recording, but basically I'm just going to defeat this one, defeat that one. That's it. Vins will just clear the rest. If I run out of time, I run out of time.